Support for the American Business Podcast comes from Yelp. Do you know the biggest problem for small businesses nowadays? It is visibility. That is why Yelp Business is ready for you. Sign up Yelp for Business, make your company visible for your customers to find you. There is an easy sign-up process. When you scan the QR code, it'll take you to a sign-up page. You can sign up and you can start your free trial with no obligation. Make it easy for your customers to find you. There are millions of customers visiting Yelp on a daily basis. Based on the statistics that I got from Yelp, there are more than 70 million customers visiting Yelp on a monthly basis, looking for services, looking for businesses, just like your business. Scan the QR code, sign up for Yelp, and make your company visible. Visibility is the key. It all starts with being searchable, findable, and visible. Yelp is the venue for you. Sign up for Yelp and start getting more leads and more customers starting today. Thank you for your support.